everyone, it's Miss Allison. Let's take a look at your Seedfolks journal. Now, usually we have journals like this. This is mine from last year. We have so many things in here, all of the notes, all of the things. But we are digital this year. We are not together. I cannot hand you notes. So we're going to do a digital notebook. Now, if you would like to create one like this, please do so. I really like to have things in my hands. That's the kind of person that I am as a learner. So if that is interesting to you, let me know and we can go over that. Otherwise, you can use this one. So let's take a look at yours. You should have this presentation right here. All right, you can put your name there. You have your table of contents. So these are going to take you, if you click here, to each of the characters and what you will need on their page. We'll look at those in a second. And then right here is your welcome page. First step is to fill this out. So who are you? What is a picture of you? What do we need to know about you? Like how old are you? Where do you live? All that good stuff. And then your communities. And then we have some resources. So this is really important, guys. I want you to have access to these. We have the digital text. We'll have the audiobook linked here as well. And then a couple other things you may need. So those are the basics. Now we're going to get into each character. So we have broken this up into 4 parts for you with 3 characters each. And in this, you are going to be reading each characters that we're assigning for that day. And here's how you get there. So when you click here, we are going to look first at whichever character it's prompting you to look at. And for this purpose, I'm going to exit the full slideshow now. Okay, so I was showing you that just to kind of give you the brief overview. All right, and so this is the other view that we are looking at. So when you're in this view, this is how it's going to be easier to work. You will see some helpful things here. So it's going to ask you for a bio or some information about each character. And we need to know a couple things. So some is already filled out for you, such as the character's name up top here, and then their age, and then their ethnicity. Where are they coming from? What group do they belong to? And then over here, there are some sentence stems to help you with the different questions. So you need to describe that character. Why is this person gardening? What's their motivation? What do they contribute to the garden? So do they plant something? Do they fix something? And then what do they do to others? How do they impact others? So think about those questions as you're reading, and as you're going through, you're going to use these sentence stems to fill that out. So that's going to be what you're doing while you're reading. And then the next part is some vocab. You will see these words. Oh my goodness, they are so small. You can make them bigger. You will see these words as you are reading, and you're going to, at the end, pick either a story or an image that represents one or more of these words. You don't have to do it for all 5, but maybe one that was new to you or one that you noticed in the text, okay? So that's what the plan is going to be for these first couple chapters, and if things change, we'll have another video, but go ahead and do that for now and let us know how it goes.